Hey everybody, Brent in Central Arkansas. Time for another microgreens grow, and this time we're going to do Daikon radish. Zero it out and take my pre-measured seed, and we're going to do a 60-gram grow. 60 grams equates to 2.14 ounces. So that's where we're going to grow Daikon radish. Alright, here's the tray. First thing we're going to do is we're going to wet it down, and this is just so the seed sticks, and we also want to create a really humid environment, so we're going to wet this down thoroughly. We're going to put the seed on there. I'll do a little bit of it for you just to show you, just like this, and I want to do it more thoroughly, and then I'll bring you back. That's what it looks like in the cup. Alright, there you go. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to wet the seed very thoroughly and start the germination process. Alright, that's it. I'll bring you back as it grows. That's what the Daikon looks like now. Look at the height of the radish today. It's crazy. Wow. Radish really grows. Alright, it is time to harvest these Daikon radishes. Don't they look good? They're so full it's spilling out over the edges. And this is what they look like on the table. And this is what they look like and they have just a hint of true leaf beginning to form. And that's where I like to get them. I wanted to put them on a plate so you can take a look at them up close. And you can see how clean they are. It keeps falling over. It is not loosely stacked either. This one's going to have a good weight to it. I can tell. Here's my hand for reference. Straight up and down. That's a lot of microgreens. There they are in the bag. Let's turn this on. And let me switch camera hands. I'm better with my right hand. Zero it out. Alright. Let's get this on there. It is locked at 2.32 pounds. Let's change to 2 ounces. But I don't know what gin is, so let's change it. 2 ounces. There we go. 37.1 ounces. That's a pretty good return if you ask me. It's Brent. We'll see you guys later. Hey everyone, let me tell you about something new to my channel. It's my Amazon store. In this link or in the URL link in any of my videos, you can click on it and it'll take you to my store.